So what happens when your entire friends group, 11 people by the way, plans a birthday party in nature, and the morning of the birthday party it starts pouring rain? And this is how it turned out.
One eternity later.
Bro, me and how we got here at the same time. Like, what the hell? Hi guys, Editing Angelique here. So before heading to the forest, we went to the other girl's house to like pick up the groceries and everything. And by coincidence, I met her on the same way to like go to her house. We met right there. I'm like, girl, do we drive the same limit? Like, I'm telling you, me and her, we drive the same. We drive crazy the same, and it was raining like crazy. We don't have this in Uganda.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like really pretty. Anyway, they don't print more money. We finally made it around 10 a.m. Don't ask us what we was doing the whole time. I am so freezing.
You stay in Africa?
Yeah, I'm African, guy. I never see this.
You told them?
The wrong direction. After 5 hours, faster. Hey! Go away! I'm scared of thunder. Yeah, it's so beautiful. I love it.
This weather is the
It's still heaven. And the bread together.
deep.
Yeah. Every
No, eat with hand.
Beautiful. Hi, Manunana.
त्यो मुनिको उयो आउँछ
Hi, it's me again. So after drinking the hot tea, we started preparing for dinner, lunch, brunch. I don't know. It was probably like 1 p.m. and we were preparing the food. So this is going to be like those kind of like the forest cooking kind of vibe. So just chill and enjoy, okay? It's what food? Tastes good. Now it smells so good. Luca, say hi to the channel. Yeah. Big fan. Big fan. Big fan, big fan. Yeah, then the 8, right? 10. You say I have to see insect?
Yes.
Where's the insect?
You need everyone like this. Yes, yes. See dirty.
Guys, I never cooked before.
Yeah, no.
Who cooks? I'm kidding. I cook like slave in my house.
No, she never cooked.
Eh, copy.
You sleep till 3. What do you mean?
No, I wake up like 6 a.m. to cook for my whole family.
You know, last time I was telling her,
Okay.
Angie, where are you at? She was I'm staying in bed, but you know, it's already 2
Yeah.
p.m.
I don't have family, so I sleep anytime. Even when I get married, my husband is gonna cook, clean everything.
Don't marry African.
Just me for chaka chaka. You want chaka chaka? I wake up and then I go back to sleep.
If you marry African guy.
African guy like that, they like to cook and clean.
That takes long.
No, they tell wife to cook.
पानी त्यो दालमा यतिकै होस् कि अलिक लाउने A little bit salt. We need to put a little bit salt.
Your tongue, our tongue good. Same. You? Nothing, Angie.
Nothing.
Angie lagi Noon. Wait.
You don't know how to taste the food. I don't know. I don't know what I'm tasting. But it's good.
No, because she become a Nepali.
Yes.
Yeah, but Kenchana 50-50. Yeah, spicy. Like that. Oh my god.
She's so red.
Looks so pretty. You see the
Ooh, Louis! That's pretty. The sun is here. Gamayo! Gamayo! Yo! Gamayo! Why do I sound like a dog?
one is one.
Yeah. Yes, thank you. What is this? I want that. Yeah. Yeah, enough.
No, you're gonna love this.
No, enough. I'm gonna ask for more.
12 seconds later.
After.
Homeless. How's the food?
Very yummy. Fantastic.
Yummy. African Nepali.
I'm about to try that bathroom and see, but I don't know if it's dirty. Oh, I'm a homophobe. I'm like, I'm a homophobe. I meant I have OCD. What the fuck? Homophobe. What the fuck is that? It's 2 a.m. So guys, we're about to surprise them with 2 cakes because it's 2 birthday girls. They're like right there. She's about to bring a lighter and then we're gonna light the candle and then we're gonna start singing happy birthday. Happy birthday, Urmila and Tika. I love you guys. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Go in the front. Or you want me to go? You will. Yeah. Close the door. Slowly, yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you guys. Happy birthday to you. Bro, the candle got blown away. What did you throw it on? Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you guys. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Make a wish. Yeah! We just finished eating, dancing, talking, doing everything. And right now we're about to go for a walk because right over there, there's waterfall. So we're about to go walk to it. But other than that, we are having fun. We're enjoying.
Let's go, guys.
Really nice trees.
Oh, you can.
Pig. Today's tip: pee in the forest. It's not just good for your body; it's good for your soul. Bumble clot. Vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, Angie. Big
Hi vlog. Big fan.
Angie. Big
This is my 24 views. All of this. This is my comment.
Madam, I saw you in
The true.
TikTok. You are so popular.
You saw me? Yeah.
Like that. Oh, madam. Oh my
You
God.
a fan?
So,
You a big fan?
what the fuck is that?
Bro, be serious. Okay, again.
Oh, you know what? I saw you in TikTok.
Really?
Yeah, I thought like I saw you somewhere in TikTok.
Yeah, I'm famous. I have like 1 million views
really?
and then
Oh my
subscribers
God.
and
I'm
followers.
a big fan, okay?
Oh, thank you so
yeah,
much.
I subscribe you.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.
Guys, the waterfall. We don't have this at home. And we go back home. Oh, I'm driving. So the following day, which was Sunday, we decided to go to Lyra. Yeah, Lyra in Dallas. Because if you know us, we do not stay home. So we decided to take her celebration to Lyra. Yeah, Lyra, yes. And I'm like, should I add that too? Should I add it here right now? Like, I'll add it, whatever. Oh, this song's gonna get copyrighted, so here we go. I love you, baby, and it's quite alright. My love for you. Birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Make a wish, my love. Yay! How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! Sweet 16. Cheers to 16. In the middle. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks so nice. So I didn't know the tradition that the birthday girl is supposed to cut the cake and then give everyone a bite. And then as you bite, and then you also give her to bite. Guess what I did? I eat the whole thing, which is why I was staring like, what's going on? I was like,
You want more? Bro, the voice is gonna miss you. Feed me too.
oh, I have to feed you? Oh, I forgot. I forgot. Let me feed you. Oh, give me a finger.
Minha amiga planta, finessa de sua. Pode cartar, se sou único.